Good morning, everyone. Wanna go for a trip? So, today I have a huge list to tackle. I just had 5 different conversations on 4 different platforms. It's confusing. So I have to make a bunch of notes right now. I have some dogs to make, I have some silhouettes to make. I'm doing a project for my brother-in-law, which should be pretty cool. This is the other side of the pattern on the spatula. This is just going to be a desk ornamental thingy thing. It's going to stand up like this. I'm going to build a little stand for it just so it can go on his desk. Huge Star Wars fan. Sorry about the close-up. So I have a lot of saw work today. And you may see it behind me. This little guy back here is my new project. It's a saltwater pico tank. Pico being super small. It basically has a heater, an air line. The air pump is actually the bubbles that are coming up over the top are actually making circulation in here. And if I need more, I have a little tiny pump in here that will circle it around the tank that way. But this, I just checked, and it looks to be like it's cycled. So what that means for us is we can start putting corals and some other live things inside it. I have my blue light, my blue Technic light coming. This one here is too much for it. But I am super excited about this, and you should be able to see it in the background as I'm working, depending on where the camera's at. So I'll be cleaning it up back here a little bit so that the tank is a little bit more displayed. I think that was it. There's a couple more things that I'm gonna do. I'm trying to change up the channel just a little bit to kind of keep it more interesting and not quite so, what's the word, methodic? I don't know. Anyways, I'm gonna try making the channel a little bit more fun. My editing is coming along. There's so much to learn editing. It is crazy. But I do have a great app that I'm able to use. And so we'll be adding some more fun stuff. I will be hopefully on here quite a bit more, growing the channel, trying to put more into it. And as we go along, finding new things that you guys want to see made, or things, challenges, all kinds of stuff. And if you haven't noticed, I have no script. So things just kind of come as they come. If you guys have questions or things you'd like to see, I would leave them down in the comments. I've noticed that whenever I upload videos through my phone, I don't get all of the things down in the description. So give me a little bit of time between each video to get on my laptop and get all that extra stuff added. I have a bunch of links that I'm going to start putting in of some of the tools I use that you can get on Amazon. Just to kind of help out, let you see what I'm using and things like that. We have monetized, so that you've probably noticed little ads in the beginning, the ones that you can skip through and things like that. All of that is helping a little bit. And I'm hoping that one day that will help us not have to do so many shows. We're not really in the best of shape to do all those shows and all the setup and tear down. It takes a lot of work. Doing all of the metal work in here plus online is enough work as it is. So this is just an update. I have a ton of work that I need to get started, and I greatly enjoy the time you take to spend with us to watch our videos as they come out. If this is your first time here, please subscribe and hit the bell. I will be making little graphics for them and adding them through the editing. And as our editing goes along, it will start to get a lot more funny. I'll add in some little things, kind of help it not seem so stale, I guess. And I think that's it. So I hope you guys all have a great day, and hit, I think it's this side, there should be a little icon right here to subscribe. And on this side, oh wait, maybe that's backwards. Yeah, one side there's an icon to subscribe. The other side's one of our other videos that you may enjoy. Oh, and a question. Would you guys like me to go back and whenever I'm using the Dremel tool, it makes that little zzz sound. Would you guys be interested if I remade, not necessarily remade, but edited those videos so that you didn't have to hear that? Adding some music or something over the top of it. Please let me know in the comments, and I will get started on that. I'm having second doubts about it, so if you guys want me to, I will gladly do that and not have to put out a new video, but I can just edit those. Actually, it would have to be a new video. So you might actually get the videos a second time, just a lot more watchable. And I think that's it. Leave us comments what you'd like to see, what you'd like for us to edit, and any challenges or things that are interested you. And I thank you so much for watching us and taking time to see what we're doing. So I hope you all have a great day making, and enjoy all that this life has to give you.